NDC amanyoko no mfimfiri mantam jam tenani ena mansi kracho no ewo kaswa awoto senya is one
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho by be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we de e de to Sudan say man we need that chi bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra momi enko video bi mra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
NDC amanyoko no mfimfiri mantam jam tenani ena mansi kracho no ewo kaswa awoto senya is one no wo dia bufusew akọbọ rem radio station one mo say wo ntia ase ma radio station no nya natwuma ede na aba wo eka NDC asem enti adwumafo e wo batampa radio hoyi wo makọ wo nyina ti konkonsesi abonten enkrofo bag wo manfa krofo sika wo manfa o yakomasi abonten chairman yo wo central region NDC eso otumi wabetu radio station nim emu adwumafuo de oti radio suo de oti reception o de oye security man wo nyina no wo mapam magu abonten ena wo matu radio station nim atese emprempra ye kesei bibia enkoso honom na abrante ba kwa batampa radio a wono ena oye producer ema wo mo ena woni adrum kase di nkomo ye fene Bernard Meku na Bernard Meku nyampon ena echi wase na tade ese no krompo no chairman ba ye ne MC ni ba no wo manya boto na tade nyi wo matete no na enopai ni esese wani ensa ukatre bra YouTube ni eye Facebook na besu wani suade na ye ne Bernard Meku nyampon edi nkomo no enchemo bi ode ma ye ndi esi ye ya wono aso edi nani so no ne tete na tade no enchemo ode ma ye ni
around 10 Namapon, me Obatampa radio morning show producer. Cinema pon, me name host and me one other colleagues from Madam. Now you be call program. And see form na you be conti right in front of your premises because I have scientists. We see form now, and I'm home regional chairman. You are Dr. Sidu, our NDC regional chairman Cape Coast, and me home set you are set Banini, someone Kaso MC. And I would say is not good director, Nash, outbound from a one man, Rasta, and I mean, is here, and well bet men. I'm on a base 8. 80, anyone I'm saying, or Cassa, radio station in Metum, radio station, and to whom we host, and now accusing is who take a video be a host in a castle on essay, parts, I will read you, and also I just wouldn't attempt, and we were station best a 4 cry, so I attempt this over book, a hosting. And I'm a PM who's in a poetry. So one MC, yes, at the Bible. One I hear Mocase, one say a part, more kinds of phone fire, one Adam's eye, if you casa. And the one all down was say, on ye, me phone, infamous, and we see me phone. The one I said, me granny. On my papa, what case, I will reduce this moon now, up a mom, you will be unfashy, and no more.
And branded and called Dr. Baumia a liar. They continue saying it and they affirmed it deep. Say, why a liar, a potential flag bearer then. Jamaica, what I say. But, about the patcho, when we said that they should also go and apologize, have they apologized? They haven't. But Dr. Baumia creating pressure, he say, as a party, the sofa, you don't do that. When you go to the social media, the people that supported to work in the Japan that I know, the people that we chat with, they are all angry. They are all angry and not supporting the interview that he did. Because gradually, gradually one share a bemana lusu your friend say abaya unpopular, and it's becoming unpopular in the party because interview be about granted piano as a set some as a settings what the hell minimum galamse ya go for nine galamse yatia ya kuntoka baby galamse tidia. We are fighting and looking for the people that do galamse. If you don't bring it out, name them. Let us go for them because we are fighting galamse in this country. And kofu abo Ghana krono awusi winim no. Mayan hunu. Let us know the people that corrupted this country. I will bring them on. Me and discuss it because we are anti-corruption crusader. Na so the show na de bia sa na abeka dia. Na ya koye settings. It's like either you have a skeleton in your cupboard that you are protecting yourself that maybe NDC wouldn't come for you, or you don't want Dr. Bawumia to become a president at all costs. That is the beer mentality because he said you are not better. So if you are not better there, I'll take the bitterness off. Then moment to we see. All right. You understand? So please, what do you say? Ask me about. Yeah. Professor Michael Quay report. Michael Quay report. It was revealed that Mr. Kennedy Japo should be removed from the party by two President Kufuor and some other big ways. No. If they do that, the timing is wrong. And or your party back or boa party. No. So that suggestion was wrong. Now they have intercepted videos and audios. The party wanted to have a press conference to show to Ghanaians, reveal it, statement and all that, right, to set as an actuality, to justify why they want to take you off of the.
Chino mind Ghana ho, and the woman Juni ko etira. Nanka woman betina si ehuni say. Ewana woman da market and woman ni baby da. And nintina woman ya woman adwene say woman beda market. Inti says I understand there's uncle for way to aba. NDC Npp government say woman pe change, woman pa hoto, woman pe nyuma ye. Such a way as our marketplaces in woman koda hobby. And a woman didn't say the two about the TMPP government. And a woman two about the NDC. And better non fine she say a pamegu or mammy. NDC by ye on fine she say a pubby and meguho. But be a meme dana minyashum bieka krana made two about TMPP na. Me two about the NDC and NDC by and will baby buno. It is an NDC. I want to pa at the massa youth na. Nan NDC better say I say, oh, Sanko for your one more marketplaces equal. Woman ni baby da. Inti me say sa woman dina and hen fan a woman head and hen fan a woman better. Inti says I net dia. Ma minye fast na min pair dine bar could be a messy. Edia suho. Edia man one a woman marketplaces no. Set away a me koko bubu omwa. Na me koma womu solution. Me bubu no na me ma womu solution. Na me catch out say me bubu. Me NDC government. Me bubu wo dine no. Because mercy a dine bi waha. Na kona kwa eden kona kwatinam na yenen kakra na eden nyesika na fa kwa rent because market no yensi market ni se wo mum na medam yesi market ni se wo fa nton ade be na me se wonni babi danti na wo yusu a wo da ho eni nti na me NDC government medweno ho no ma si dan di asi wo nti me ba be ka tro se free market na wudam ni free na kona koda ha because baby a wo da ne kora no automatically enye save. Sankan this government no womu jino my Ghana ho and womu jino youth no ho na they will give them solution before they will destroy baby our mother. Say wo koto anoma buo ho a wo bubu anoma buo na anoma ne be de na wada obe chinchin nti wona womu ni sika womu de be rented dan na womo bobo kiosk or market wana womo da ho no automatically no wa ma womo ebia ma womo anda na bubu na wabubu no automatically wo ka kire womo say womo nko ne number sabasa ta na pa kire because obi biala ogini obi biala ho no obegini ho hu ni say me say ade yi Minini a me de be mo me esese me mo obi na wodi shem. At that moment a man mo obi ma wan fan shem no. Me ni adwempa e de ma wo. Inti sanka NDC government no wa adwenepa e de ma san nkofo no wo mu bubu wo mo dan na. Ko mu be hunu se wo mu ni ba bi da. Inti mami si e dan ba ko ntum. Na wo a wo benya student mattress no fa betum. O bag ba ko ne kita wa fa besim. Seche we obi abenya ba bi ada. Seche we wo bubu kura na wo bubu wi a. Wasa so amawo ebia wo mu di wo mu ti be den wo mu di wo mu ti beto
Monua no no ha no ye nyina ye ti kruma no mu be ya forensic audit ni be wie no wo de
so ene da no si mu de bia ye ka ho asem oman we che se yenim oman ni issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana for say ba we ni we na meya ma mo na busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious so in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi say leaders are KBA the new patriotic party the leaders of the party KBA ka borrow omodom ko another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and PCs yenwie because of time. But those ones yetimi we go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya. Ese ke scan kwa kanye de wasa botumi we say oh, me say we say people for ya konfo. Name ma konfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what the hospitals na mo so mo ya konfo. A comfort ma facilitate me on be fund free seniors so mo ya konfo. You say enye Ghana for dey. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokeke mu kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open ko nkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia ye nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye nkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open ko nkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most open ko nkete. Is enya mo de. You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Na ne yete ne nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me. Me na wo ne wo sia kire me se bi me na me ko ka kire Agyen Dramani ma se o mema us come to mutu wa. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi. Digitalization en to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade da mo kam. Ye wo ko mo ya. And the Agyen Dramani mama ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia utilization bia and na gafo say okay nye beto aba na ma boom mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kra de menu now to me hu letter bi a yoko for tro ye eba council of state member voter region na me say fiam eh Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwe ni letter now was say council of state member no wo ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya
juma order and onya juma order amanam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes, na mo a ye post
ya no ka che obi se nipa ne boa
o se